Hey folks, Ethan here with Royal Pool's G2 Outdoor Design. Purchasing an in-ground pool is a huge investment. At this point, you've probably done plenty of research, but you might still have a few questions before taking the plunge. You might be wondering, is a fiberglass pool really worth it? Well, fiberglass offers several key advantages over other types of in-ground pools. Let's head back to the studio and talk about the top 5 benefits of owning a fiberglass pool. And we're back. Before we start discussing the benefits of fiberglass pools, we kindly ask that you hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to follow us on our socials. All right, let's start with benefit number 1, which is low maintenance. Fiberglass pools are known for their low maintenance requirements. The smooth gel coat finish of a fiberglass pool prevents algae from adhering easily, reducing the need for frequent scrubbing and chemical treatments. This saves you both time and money on pool maintenance, making the fiberglass pool the cheapest of the 3 pool types for long-term maintenance. Benefit number 2, durability. Fiberglass pools are highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. They can flex slightly within the ground movement, reducing the risk of cracking. So unlike concrete pools, they don't require resurfacing. And when compared to a vinyl liner pool, you won't have to replace the liner every 5 to 10 years, which can be costly over the lifetime of your pool. Benefit number 3, quick installation. Fiberglass pools are prefabricated in a factory, then delivered and installed in one piece. This reduces the installation time compared to other types of pools and gets you swimming sooner. Benefit number 4, the smooth surface. The gel coat surface of a fiberglass pool is resistant to algae, smooth to the touch, and durable. This makes fiberglass pools more comfortable to swim in and reduces the abrasion or scrapes compared to rougher surfaces like a concrete pool. You also won't have to worry about your liner being damaged by your dog going in it, or if you have some wind blowing your favorite patio furniture into the pool. All right, benefit number 5, the warranty. Most fiberglass pools have fantastic warranties. This is something that you absolutely should talk to your potential contractor about. Most manufacturers offer a true lifetime warranty, or at the very least, very strong warranties, some coming in at or over 10 years of coverage and peace of mind for you. These benefits make fiberglass pools an obvious choice while on the hunt for a durable, low-maintenance swimming pool option. If you're still researching and interested in learning more about fiberglass pools, check out our other videos on the top 5 drawbacks of fiberglass pools, because you deserve to be fully informed when making the key decisions about your forever yard. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.